News. I'm Arya.
And I'm Mona.
Let's get right to it.
How many oceans are there? Your parents may have remembered only 4 when they grew up, but this week we now have 5. National Geographic officially confirmed the waters off Antarctica to be named the Southern Ocean. Scientists have always referred to these waters as the Southern Ocean but could not agree on its naming until now. Well, looks like your classroom maps will be out of date when you get back to school.
NASA is sending squid and water bears into space. That's right. Those crazy guys at NASA are sending tardigrades, which also look like little water bears, and bobtail squid in order to study the effects of living tissues in space flight. As you could tell by this bobtail squid, seen here ordering 4 more rounds to the waitress. NASA clearly has a thing for sending cute animals into space.
Rosanna Pansino uploaded a new Nerdy Nummies episode featuring fellow YouTubers from at home. Together, they made this realistic SpongeBob pineapple house cake.
The family over at FGTeeV uploaded their second part of Which Box, Bitcoin, or Zombies Challenge, and it quickly became their most popular video of the week.
Over at Life with Brothers, Mary and Izzy attempt to trade fidget toys with each other and hilarity ensues.
Physics girl finds mud volcanoes at Salton Sea in Southern California. Of course it is. Over at Hello Kitty and Friends, my Melody learns to fly a kite.
This is going to be the brightest, shiniest, most dazzling kite of the whole kite festival!
The new Fortnite chapter was released this week, dubbed Invasion. With it came a new vehicle, this flying saucer that allows you to abduct people. Oh, and of course, with Battle Pass, you get to play as Rick Sanchez from Rick and Morty. Wubba lubba dub dub.
Speaking of games, E3 started this weekend. This year, the expo went virtual. Ubisoft was first to showcase their games on Saturday. First up, Rocksmith Plus, the next chapter of Rocksmith guitar learning series. If you ever wanted to learn how to play the guitar without expensive lessons, this game is for you.
For the Switch, the Rabbids have once again teamed up with Nintendo in Mario plus Rabbids Sparks of Hope.
Looks like we will all get a chance to head back to James Cameron's Mind and Avatar, Frontiers of Pandora.
Microsoft presented their lineup on Sunday, and they came in with some heavy hitters, including Halo Infinite, a game that will surely have your parents shouting across the house. Oh, come on!
For those slime lovers, and who isn't these days, Monomi Park revealed their sequel to Slime Rancher.
I, for one, cannot wait to get my little mitts on Party Animals, a fighting game with cute little animals that beat each other into a pulp.
Ubisoft also unveiled a beautiful game about extreme sports that will be out in September, Riders Republic.
Await you, Ryder. See you soon.
The new Forza Horizon 5 game showcases the power of next-gen consoles. And this time, much like how your parents met, the action takes place in Mexico.
That about wraps it up for us. We will have a part 2 of E3 this Wednesday as Sony and Nintendo showcase their products.
We will be back to sharing our adventures next weekend as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
What Kids News?